How to log in JCPenney Employee Portal. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your JCPenney Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in www.jcassociates.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website, which looks like this. Under here, select if you are an active associates or a former associates. Click on anyone that you are looking to log in for. Then here, zoom into your screen and enter your username. Once you have entered your username, tap on the password box and type in your password. As you do all that, tap on to log in, and if your credentials are correct, you will get successfully logged into your account, and that is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.